What is C? C is a general-purpose programming language created by Dennis Ritchie at the Bell Laboratories in 1972. It is a very popular language, despite being old. C is strongly associated with UNIX, as it was developed to write the UNIX operating system. Why learn C? It is one of the most popular programming language in the world. If you know C, you will have no problem learning other popular programming languages such as Java, Python, C++, C#, etc., as the syntax is similar. C is very fast, compared to other programming languages, like Java and Python. C is very versatile, it can be used in both applications and technologies. Difference between C and C++. C++ was developed as an extension of C, and both languages have almost the same syntax. The main difference between C and C++ is that C++ support classes and objects, while C does not.